Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to improve battery life on the VIVO V60E. Let's begin! And we first want to start by simply going into the settings. Then you want to scroll down a little and enter battery. In here we want to make sure that we have a couple of things enabled. First of all, we can scroll down into battery life extender. This will provide some basic functionality, however, it will improve your battery life, especially in the long term. The other thing that I would really suggest you enabling is hidden inside battery health and charging, and it's the optimized battery charging. As you can see, it reads that we can extend battery life by reducing the charging upper limit or tailoring charging to the habits when the upper limit is 100. As you can see, currently I have this set to 100. And we already have optimized based on habits, which is very good. Of course, if you really care about the battery, you can still leave the optimized based on habits on. However, you could potentially lower this to, for example, 90. And as you can see, we now have information that when custom value is set to this value, which in our case is 90%, the smart optimization feature will not take effect. To accurately display the battery status and level, it may charge to 100. So, as you can see, it doesn't really work that well, so I still would advise you to just go into 100% and then enable optimize based on habits, because I'm pretty sure that, especially in long term, this will provide with better battery life overall, rather than having the upper limit set to 90 and no optimization at all. Okay, so these are the two main options that you can enable in order to improve your battery life. There are a couple of additional ones. For example, we have the fast charging, and many people will always argue whether or not fast charging is actually killing your battery or is helping it or whatever. And whatever floats your boat, I would say you can leave this on or off. However, it is important to note that it will warm up your battery more if you have the fast charging enabled, which is obviously not something we want, because if our battery is warmed up, then kind of it will just die faster. By of course no means it will be like big amounts of dying faster, but still some fallbacks can be seen. So it's completely up to you if you want to disable it or enable it. You can make sure to share it down in the comments if you want to enable or disable it, because I'm actually quite curious. And finally, we have some things for strictly battery drain, which aren't really going to help you out with battery life for the long term, but will help you with any kind of drain and just long-term usage. I think that the only really thing we want is deep optimization. As you can see, all is optimized. If you would have some sort of applications, which we can see right here, that aren't running normally and are using too much battery, then the phone will automatically detect them and we can put them into deep app optimization, so they no longer waste our battery. And yeah, I think that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.